Hey friends, so now let's say you have your design all completed and ready to download. If you're ready to download your design, go ahead and hover over to the top toolbar and click on that down arrow. When you do, you'll get your download options available. So you can select your file type, click on that drop-down menu, and you can select whether you'd like to download it as a PNG, a JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, an SVG, which this option is only available for Canva Pro members, or as an animated design, such as MP4 video or a GIF. Did I just say GIF? I meant GIF, as a GIF, okay? You can also select crop, marks, and bleed, or not. And here, under this All Pages drop-down menu, you can select which pages it is that you want to download. If you want to download the entire design, go ahead and click All Pages. If you're looking to download only one page of your design, go ahead and click on the page it is that you want to download. And click Done when you're done. And when you're all finished, go ahead and click Download, and there you have it. It starts automatically downloading and popping up into your files. Let's close that out. Whoops, maybe not. There we go. And here you can continue editing your design or go back to your home page. So let's continue editing the design. And here, if you see Order letterheads right on that top toolbar, you can click that, and this is where you would click if you wanted to order a physical printed copy of your design. And there you have it. I'll see you in the next video.